And the Aam Aadmi Party, a fresh standoff between the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Lieutenant Governor Najeeb Jung. This time over the appointment of policemen from Bihar being appointed to the Delhi Anti-Corruption Bureau. Sonal Mehrotra reports.
As Delhi swelters with water and power shortages in one of worst summers ever, the war between Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and his Lieutenant Governor Najeeb Jung refuses to abate. Now, in the latest move, the Governor's office on the offensive, challenging the appointment of 4 Bihar cadre officers in Delhi's Anti-Corruption Bureau, saying only his office has the power to make those changes. The press note sent by Lieutenant Governor's office reads, "The Anti-Corruption Bureau Delhi, being a police station, functions under authority, control and supervision of the Lieutenant Governor, a position clarified by the Ministry of Home Affairs. The office of Lieutenant Governor has so far not received any proposal for the deputation of such personnel from outside Delhi Police."
ACB के पास पूरी पावर है कि वो देश में कहीं से भी पुलिस कर्मियों को ले सके और पहले भी होता रहा है, लेकिन अब सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने मजाक बना दिया हर चीज को। सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट चाहती क्या है? संविधान को वो नहीं मानेंगे।
Sources indicate that ACB was discussed, and what's more, there's no end to this turf war, as sources also indicate that 34 more officers from West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand are likely to be inducted in the Anti-Corruption Bureau very soon. While the argument for the ACB being short-staffed is officially the reason for these recruitments, Mr. Kejriwal's political strategy of bypassing the governor's office and sending requests to non-BJP states only to fill some of the nearly vacant positions is raising eyebrows. So far, he has only approached Bihar, but sources say West Bengal and Uttarakhand are on his list next.
And I regret to say repeatedly, governance is becoming a casualty. और वो पहले अपनी पार्टी के अंदर जंग करते हैं, फिर नजीब जंग से जंग करते हैं, फिर राजनाथ जी से जंग करते हैं.
Like the tussle over bureaucratic appointments, this one too pits Arvind Kejriwal, a novice chief minister risen from the people, against the almighty Home Ministry, a strong arm of the centre. But is this simply a political game plan by the Delhi's new government to divert perhaps attention from core issues? Or is this perhaps a real case of poor governance? Perhaps the Chief Minister now has to answer more questions to his voters than seeking answers for himself from the centre. In New Delhi with camera person Ashwini, Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.